Have you ever wondered how ninjas could move without making a sound? Most people think they simply tiptoed, but that's not actually how they did it. So what was their secret? I'll explain. But if you love ninja, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this fast. They carefully placed the front of one foot onto the back of their hand with the palm facing downward, then repeated the same motion with the other foot. This prevented all of their weight from pressing directly onto the ground. By spreading their body weight between their hands and feet, they could move across dry leaves, twigs, and loose rocks with almost no noise. They moved slowly on purpose, using patience and precise control to stay hidden, allowing them to reach their destination silently. By the way, how many times did I say ninja?